This dish of mushrooms in curry is very easy to make. It's delicious and super light. The first thing we are going to do is cook the quinoa. But first we are going to rinse it to remove the saponins and bitterness. You need 3 parts of water for 1 of quinoa, a bit of salt. And when it boils, it cooks for 10 minutes. We are going to use the HSN freeze-dried mushrooms that come in this format. And you simply need to cover them with water and wait 1 minute, and they will be ready to use. We heat a pan with a tablespoon of organic coconut oil and add the onion, which can also be frozen. When it is soft, we add the mushrooms, sauté for a few minutes, and add curry, garlic powder, salt, and a little black pepper. We give a few stirs so the spices toast and release all their aroma, and we add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce and a plain yogurt. This adds creaminess and a tangy touch that works great with this dish. We serve with the quinoa, and we already have a super tasty and healthy dish.